Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. I'm Prem Tarneja and it's been a week of impending battle royales all over the country and beyond. On the show today, Mamata Banerjee versus Amit Shah, Arvind Kejriwal versus the BJP, and the oldest war of all, Netas versus voters. Meanwhile, overseas, America versus ISIS is hotting up too. Barack Obama addressed the American people this week, asking for their support in escalating the fight against this deadly terrorist group. That's a good example of a leader communicating with his public, right? Now, how about a not so good example? It's ironic that Narendra Modi is not a fan of Jawaharlal Nehru because he's clearly trying to be the next Chacha Nehru. However, when schools start quizzing students on what was already a compulsory lecture for them, my sympathies are with the kids.
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल देवी और सज्जनों, वेलकम टू कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। आए टीचर्स डे स्पेशल। आज हॉट सीट पर बैठी हैं नवीं कक्षा की छात्रा काम्या जी। हॉट सीट तक पहुंचने के लिए कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
I just want to go home. मुझे घर जाना है।
You can't go home. Our beloved leader gave you a lecture and now we have to test if you were paying attention. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, your first question for 50 marks is on your computer screen. As per the contents of his Teacher's Day lecture, which of the following pranks did Bal Narendra like to play? A. Dunking ice water on people's heads. B. Pulling people's beards. C. Stapling together the clothes of guests. Or D. Bunking classes and watching movies.
Sir, I'd like to phone a friend.
अवश्य काम्या जी, बिल्कुल। कंप्यूटर जी, काम्या जी के दोस्त शांतनु को फोन लगाओ।
हेलो शांतनु, यार मोदी लेक्चर पे क्वेश्चन है, तू हेल्प करेगा?
ट्राई करूंगा यार, मैं तो सुबह से ही क्रैमिंग कर रहा हूँ। बाय द वे, तूने ट्विटर वाले क्वेश्चंस देखे? आते इन द सिलेबस, जैसे कि स्मृति गेट्स अ डिग्री फ्रॉम येल इन 6 days. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स विल इट टेक मोदी टू गेट अ PhD?
अरे यार, तू वो सब छोड़, ये बता, व्हाट वाज मोदीज फेवरेट प्रैंक एज अ चाइल्ड? A. Dunking ice water on people. B. Pulling beards. C.
यार मैं बता रहा हूँ, मोदी प्रैंक्स पे क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, वो तो ऐसे ही लाइट वे में कह दिया था। एनीवे, तब तक तो मैं सो ही गया था।
वेट, शांतनु।
अफसोस काम्या जी, your time is up. Time to give us your answer.
नहीं, I wanna go home.
हाँ? अरे, where are you trying to go, काम्या जी?
I wanna go home.
Oh, अफसोस. You have been stapled to the chair.
हैं? क्या?
Yes. You don't even have the option to quit this game. Mummy nahi, Modi.
Then again, Modi can't be blamed for overzealous school examiners. Am I right?
Definitely. You are right. He cannot be blamed, bhai.
Raise a question against Narendra Modi and Kumar Vishwas comes running. Welcome to the show, sir.
Dr. Kumar Vishwas. Anyways, I am happy to be here.
Really? After your last experience in a television studio, I'd have thought you'd be a little cautious about stepping into one again.
Arey yaar, Prem, that fellow just misquoted and twisted my words. But I know you will not do that. You are a real anchor. He is just a caricature.
Well, I do sympathize with you on that extreme slant your interview the other day was given. I understand you were trying to be generally balanced and objective. You just picked the wrong show to do that on, though.
Satyavachan.
However, the fact remains that you're considering performing poetry at Narendra Modi's birthday? Surely, that is highly unusual for a political rival.
Prem, I am not performing at Narendra Modi's birthday. I am performing at the birthday of the Prime Minister of India. अरे भाई, एक जमाने में US गवर्नमेंट ने भी मोदी को वीजा रिफ्यूज किया. Today he is Prime Minister. So Obama is laying out red carpet for him. उसका क्या?
Well, that's different, Kumarji. However, it is true that becoming PM has really changed Modi's life.
Sorry, Narendra bhai. The visa isn't coming through.
Not coming.
Not coming.
No chance.
But sir...
Shh. They are saying Your human rights record is dismal.
Disheartening.
Depressing.
Disturbing.
But sir, why don't you...
I am afraid the US doesn't go back on its policy. A US trip is simply impossible for you, Narendra Bhai.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Not possible.
But sir... But sir, why don't you become Prime Minister? And then see.
Hello? PM Narendra Modi speaking.
Hello and welcome to United States of America, Prime Minister Modi.
Planning a trip to the US? Log on to MakeMyselfPM.com, your US travel specialist.
Now that's what you call a dream run for Narendra Modi.
गुड वन प्रेम. अरे यार तुम भी चलो मेरे साथ. We will both perform at Modi's birthday.
No, thanks. I'll pass, sir. By the way, could you give us a little preview of the poetry you're going to recite there?
अरे नहीं नहीं क्या बात कर.
Come on, Kumar ji. Don't be shy.
अब चलो पेश है. कोई दीवाना कहता है, कोई पागल समझता है, मगर विश्वास की बेचैनी को बस नमो समझता है. मैं तुझसे दूर कैसे हूँ, तू मुझसे दूर कैसे है, ये तेरा दिल समझता है या मेरा दिल समझता है.
Oh dear. All I can say now is, poor Arvind Kejriwal.
अरे कौन सा पुअर. Arvind Kejriwal and I are like brothers. No one can break our bonding, you see.
Well, that doesn't seem to be for the want of trying. I think after this, the AAP is going to have to do another 3 or 4 sting operations before Kejriwal starts smiling again. The sting against the Delhi BJP and the matter of buying MLAs was of course their big highlight of the past week. And they're so happy about it, they've started advertising.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्पाई शॉप में आपका स्वागत है. आज मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं आपके सामने पेश कर रहा हूँ जी द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोडक्ट इन मॉडर्न इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स, द आम आदमी पार्टी आई स्पाई कैम. ये अनोखा और कलात्मक उपकरण स्टिंग इक्विपमेंट फुल रिकॉर्डिंग और फुल एडिटिंग करने की क्षमता रखता है जी, जो आपके स्टिंग वीडियोस में 4 चांद लगा देगा. हिंदुस्तान के हर आम आदमी पार्टी, मेरा मतलब हर पार्टी के नेता को ये अनोखा प्रोडक्ट रखना चाहिए जी. लिसन टू दिस यूजर रिव्यू. मिलते हैं एक संतुष्ट ग्राहक से.
नमस्कार जी, मेरा नाम है अमित अरुण पांडे, मतलब कि AAP. द आई स्पाई कैम इज ए गेम चेंजर. ये आपकी और आपकी पार्टी का भविष्य बदल देगा. ये अगर एक पार्टी को मजबूती दे सकता है तो दूसरी पार्टी की दशा बिगाड़ सकता है. Our experience is that after conducting a sting with this equipment, even television debates on and ये वो इनकी उनकी become a cakewalk. तो इससे पहले कि कोई आपकी मतलब आपको नुकसान पहुंचाए, आप उसकी मतलब उसे नुकसान पहुंचा दीजिए. तो जल्दी कीजिए, ये प्रोडक्ट आपकी लाइफ बदल देगा.
दोस्तों और एक और चीज, थैंक्स टू द ऑल न्यू प्रोडक्शन वैल्यूज ऑफ द आई स्पाई कैम, आप अपने स्टिंग वीडियो में म्यूजिक डाल सकते हैं जी, वॉइस ओवर और रहस्य से भरपूर एक खामोशी भी डाल सकते हैं, thus converting it into a full-fledged documentary शॉर्ट फिल्म, जो कि बाद में आप दुनिया के किसी भी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में भेज सकते हैं. तो पाइए पॉलिटिकल माइलेज और आर्टिस्टिक रिकॉग्निशन एक ही वक्त में जी विद द आम आदमी पार्टी आई स्पाई कैम. अभी ऑर्डर करने पर मैं पहनाऊंगा जी आपको आम आदमी पार्टी की एक टोपी बिल्कुल मुफ्त. सो ऑर्डर टुडे, वी आर वॉचिंग यू. हम आपको देख रहे हैं जी.
Time for a break. But on the other side, what does Maricom have in common with the people of Kerala? Misguided representation. See you in just a few minutes. Welcome back. You're watching the Great Indian Tamasha. Now, the ruckus over the government in Delhi isn't the only major political battle that's on at the moment. Amit Shah, the conqueror of UP, has made his way into Bengal. He's trying to secure a BJP win in the 2 by-elections that are coming up there. However, something tells me that Didi Land isn't going to fall as quickly as UP did. Because even as Shah criticizes Mamta over the Sharda chit fund scam, he's been charge-sheeted himself for alleged hate speech in Muzaffarnagar. And that's not the only blot on his track record.
बात हो गई आपकी दादागिरी ममता दी. Now I have arrived. I am the victor. मोदी जी के चरणों की धूल, लेकिन मैं सबको धूल में मिला दूंगा. We will spread awareness about the Sharda scam in Bengal. यूपी के किले के द्वारा देश के महल में राजगद्दी पर मोदी जी को बैठाया. अब आपके बंगाल की बारी है.
तुम्हारा बारी कैसे आएगा? जब ये हमारा बारी है. This is my house and I won't let you enter at any cost. चाहे इसका लिए हमको लिफ्ट का सहारा ही क्यों ना लेना पड़े.
ममता दी संभालिए अपने आप को.
Hey you pot! How dare you call me black? अपना स्कैम के बारे में भूल गया. अमित सेठ, जिसका घर शीशे का होता है, वो दूसरा का घर में पत्थर नहीं फेंका करता.
Yes, Didi and Dialogue Bazi go hand in hand, don't they? Speaking of Dialogue Bazi though, there's a new star in the political world who's setting a benchmark for everybody else. I'm talking about the new Chief Minister of Telangana, KCR Rao. The man who proudly called himself Hitler is now busy persecuting a couple of local TV channels that dared to satirize his government. KCR said he'd bury them 10 kilometers under the earth. 10 kilometers, folks, not 10 feet. Someone should tell KCR that's a lot of digging. Oh, and he also said he'd break their necks. He should probably do that before he buries them. Otherwise, he'll have to dig them up all over again. And that is 10 kilometers after all. But jokes apart, these comments are rather crazy. So crazy that you have to wonder if the Chief Minister was completely sober at that time. But speaking of sobriety, here's the latest from Kerala.
Waltzing Matilda, you come. Ah, Kerala, God's own country. Now, all I need is a cold beer. What? No drinks allowed?
No. No drinks, sir. Drinks are prohibited, sir.
Yeah, but you're drunk yourself.
What? How dare you, sir? I am not drunk. Miende per Satish. I am enlightened. Yes, sir. Shall I tell you how I got enlightened?
Yeah, go on.
I sat under a tree. Yes, sir. I sat under a coconut tree.
Okay. Under a tree, you say. Enlightenment.
This way, sir. Coconut water to wake you up.
Oh, coconut water. Yeah, all right. Blah! Good God, this is insanely strong stuff.
It's fresh, isn't it?
Hello, Jonathan? Change of plan. Let's head to Bangalore. The liquor here is crazy.
Wait, sir. Don't go. We've declared prohibition for your own safety.
Oi! Get off me. Yes, I can see that. Thanks, mate. But no thanks.
Wait. You can still go to a 5-star hotel. Oof, this is too much. At this rate, our tourism treasury will go completely bankrupt.
Calm down, Sajji. Ayo, may I offer you some fresh coconut water?
Indeed, The best way to make something already popular absolutely indispensable is to ban it.
No, please. Don't say such things.
Welcome to the show, Priyanka Chopra. Don't worry, Priyanka, I'm not talking about your new movie, Maricom. That's now showing tax-free in many states across the country. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, Prem. Only I feel sad that my movie isn't showing in Manipur.
Yes. The separatist group there has effectively shut out all Hindi movies for a decade and a half now. People thought they'd make an exception for this one, since it's about Maricom. Although, of course, the movie has no Manipuri actors and no scenes shot in Manipur either.
Oh, please. Don't rake up that old controversy now. My film's making money, and everybody's happy.
Of course, Priyanka. But yet, how long can the ching of the cash register drown out the uncomfortable questions?
Oof, I don't know what you're talking about, Prem. Anyhow, how do you like my new look?
Isn't this your usual look?
Yeah, I know. But after wearing all those prosthetics for Maricom, going back to my old look feels like discovering a brand new one.
I'm sure that must be very exciting, Priyanka.
Chill, yaar. Go see Arjun's movie this weekend.
You mean Finding Fanny? I might see the other one actually.
What other one?
The one starring Maya, Mulayam and Sonia. It's got a similar theme.
Hey, what about my film? Anyhow, I'm out of here. Bye.
प्रचार वाले दिन फिर आए रे, वोट ना क्या क्या कराए रे, ये जनता रे, ये वोटर रे, दुख जिंदगी के सारे रे, कैंपेन में गुजारे रे, ये जनता रे, ये वोटर रे.
What the hell is this? Now you don't even recognize your own party?
आ गए फिर बाइपोल क्या करे, चैन लेने देंगे कब ये रे, चलना पड़ेगा पैया.
We have to win this bipole with our own merit, sir.
No. We हर हर मोदी घर घर भेजी.
दुखड़ा मिटाया नहीं है, ओ जनता रे, ओ वोटर रे, ओ जनता रे, ओ वोटर रे.
Hey, what are you doing?
प्रचार वाले दिन फिर आए रे, वोट ना क्या क्या कराए रे, ये जनता रे, ओ वोटर रे.
Ajay, we are trying to get some votes for the bipole election.
हैं? फिर से?
Many netas, but only one goal. The obsession with votes may also be the key to understanding the bizarre comments made by BJP's Vice President in UP, one Usha Thakur. Apparently, Usha ji wants Muslim men barred from taking part in the Garba dances next month, because she says they join the dances in order to seduce women. Well, Usha ji, this may be news to you, but a lot of men join dances with exactly that intention. Moreover, everything isn't about Hindus and Muslims. I'd say if there's one kind of person the Garbas should exclude, it's the kind who thinks that way. But that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week with lots more tamasha on another episode of The Great Indian Tamasha. Adios.